There are several stitches built into the Brilliant that are designed for overcasting. I've selected stitch number 13 and the machine tells me to attach the G foot, which I have done. I'll slide my fabric in, and I'm using 2 pieces of denim so that the edges of the denim are just inside the edge of the foot, and now we stitch. And the overcasting stitches go back and forth over top of a stitch finger that is inside of the needle opening on the foot, and that's what supports the stitching and keeps it nice and flat. And the overcasting stitch will land just outside the edge of the fabric and inside the fabric, and that way you have a nice finished covered edge that will not ravel or come apart inside your garment. So we come to the end and we'll cut. And you've got to remove the fabric from that stitch finger, and you can see here, this is a beautiful overcasting stitch. It stitches into my fabric and just on the very, very edge, and I can open that up and I've got a perfect seam. Another option for overcasting stitches is number 14. And you'll see that this stitch has a little bit of a spine to it. It's going to stitch a row of straight stitches on the inside edge of the garment and then jump over to the other side. And it just kind of stitches back and forth over top of itself. So this is a very sturdy construction seam. And again, because of the way that it stitches on the edge of the fabric, you won't have to worry about any sort of raveling of your garment. Here we have it. So again, I'm going to pull back on the fabric to remove it from the stitch finger, and you can see this is another option. And here is our original overcasting seam. Now again, this is just 2 of the stitches that are built in. You can play with the stitches and choose the right one for your project.